Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by using the built-in toggle because it's fastest and reliable. On Android, swipe down twice to expand quick settings. On iPhone, swipe from top right or bottom to open Control Center. Once there, find Auto Rotate or Orientation Lock and tap it to engage. That prevents unwanted rotation. Make sure the icon changes state so you know it worked. If you don't see the control, add it via Settings Edit. Doing this saves time later and avoids digging through menus. Next, you refine behavior so apps behave as you expect. On Android, go to Settings Display to confirm Auto Rotate is enabled or disabled system-wide, and check individual app settings if an app forces orientation. On iPhone, Orientation Lock prevents rotation. Some apps like video players still rotate by design, so inspect their controls. If you want granular control, install a reputable rotation control app to create per-app rules. This gives you flexibility without sacrificing the global lock you set earlier. Finish by testing and addressing problems quickly. Rotate your device to verify the lock prevents or allows rotation as intended, and make sure the quick settings or control center icon matches behavior. If things go wrong, toggle the lock off and on, then reboot. Many sensor glitches clear with a restart. If that fails, recalibrate the accelerometer if your phone offers it, update the OS, clear app cache, or run diagnostics. Troubleshoot this way to avoid needless repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.